Welcome to our roundup of the best wood routers of 2026. Powerful and precise tools that help you shape, trim, and finish wood with professional level results. Whether you're working on cabinetry, edge profiling, joinery, or decorative inlays, a good wood router brings versatility and control to your workshop or job site. Today's routers offer improved ergonomics, variable speed settings, dust collection options, and rugged construction that stand up to regular use. We've selected top models that deliver strong performance, ease of use, and great value, so you can find the right router for your projects. Let's take a closer look at what makes each one stand out. Starting with the MITO HIG cordless compact router, this model is ideal for users who value portability and convenience. Its cordless design means you're not limited by power cords, allowing you to work freely around your workshop or in remote locations without worrying about outlet access. The compact size makes it easier to handle in tight spaces or when working on detailed trim work like edge profiling or dovetailing. Adjustable speed settings give you control over the cutting pace depending on the material and bit you're using. Many users appreciate how quickly this router becomes cordless ready with a charged battery, and its lightweight build reduces fatigue during extended use. It's also surprisingly capable for small furniture pieces and edge profiling, offering smooth cuts that rival corded tools without the hassle of tangled cords. And its ergonomic design supports better accuracy, even during precision tasks. Next up is the 2-Win Compact Wood Router Tool, a dependable mid-level router that balances power and control. Designed for smaller to medium woodworking tasks, it offers smooth performance when trimming edges, shaping grooves, or crafting decorative details on cabinets, shelves, and frames. The compact base and ergonomic handles help improve stability and maneuverability, while variable speed control allows you to match cutting speed to your specific task and material. Its dust collection port helps keep your work area cleaner, making it easier to see the cut line and maintain accuracy while working on longer sessions. This router's robust construction and thoughtful design also make it a good choice for weekend warriors and woodworking classes, where reliable performance without complexity matters most, and the included accessories expand its usefulness right out of the box. Moving on to the Avid Power 1.25 HP compact router, this model steps up the power while maintaining a manageable size. The more robust motor delivers strong cutting performance across a range of wood types, making it suitable for heavier duty tasks without being overwhelming. Variable speed settings give you greater control, and many models include smooth plunge or fixed base options, so you can tackle both through cuts and surface trimming with confidence. Ergonomic grips and well-balanced construction help reduce fatigue during longer sessions, and the sturdy build supports repeated use and more demanding applications. Many users also note the value of its solid dust control and stable bit retention, helping improve both finish quality and safety, while the precision depth adjustments make it easier to achieve consistent results on every piece. Taking the number 2 spot is the Makita 1.25 HP compact router, a trusted choice known for dependable performance and refined control. With a powerful motor that delivers consistent torque, this router handles edge forming, dadoing, and precise trimming with ease, even under heavier loads. The variable speed dial lets you fine-tune performance for specific bits and materials, and ergonomic handles provide comfortable control for extended projects. Built-in dust collection and smooth depth adjustment mechanisms help keep your workspace clean and your cutting lines accurate, which is especially helpful when working on intricate joinery or decorative edges. Backed by Makita's reputation for durability and long-term reliability, this tool is especially dependable for professional woodworkers, cabinetry installations, and precision joinery work in both home shops and commercial environments. Claiming the top spot for overall performance, convenience, and feature set is the Bosch 2.25 HP electronic router. This high-performance router delivers exceptional power for demanding routing tasks, including deep grooves, extensive dados, and heavy stock removal without bogging down. Its electronic speed control maintains consistent cutting performance even under load, and adjustable speed settings let you dial in the right pace for different bits and materials with precision. The rugged build and intuitive controls help make it a pleasure to use in both stationary and handheld applications, with excellent dust management features that help keep your workspace clear. Excellent depth transitions, robust accessories, and a smooth plunge action make this router an outstanding choice for professional workshops, custom cabinetry, and serious hobbyists who demand consistent precision and reliability across every job. All of these wood routers serve different needs and skill levels. The MITO HIG cordless compact router offers cordless convenience and portability. The two-win compact wood router tool balances power and control in a user-friendly design. The Avid Power 1.25 HP compact router brings more power for heavier tasks. The Makita 1.25 HP compact router delivers refined performance and durability. And the Bosch 2.25 HP electronic router stands out with powerful cutting performance and advanced features for demanding woodworking. That wraps up our list of the best wood routers of 2026, from compact, flexible options to high-performance models built for professional-level work. If you're upgrading your shop, starting new woodworking projects, or adding a versatile shaping tool to your collection, there's a reliable router here for you. Let us know in the comments which wood router you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and take your woodworking to the next level with the right router by your side.